Many people have long been using lemon juice in water for detox, but they're missing out on the most important part of the lemon. Did you know that the lemon rind is where you get lemon essential oil? And other essential oils come from the rind because there are powerful detox properties. And guess what? They're not hard on tooth enamel like lemon juices. So why not use lemon essential oil in your water that is excellent for detox but not hard on tooth enamel? However, make sure that you are only using food-grade essential oils, which require specific chemical-free agricultural processes, special extraction processes, and high-quality testing that ensures it is safe for consumption. In fact, you should never use an essential oil internally that doesn't have a supplement fact label on it. The supplement fact label ensures that it is safe for internal consumption. So why use food-grade essential oils and internally? Did you know that they have the highest concentration of antioxidants? They actually support liver functions, pulls toxins from your cells, your organs, and they improve your energy, your metabolism, your digestion. They actually also help in mood regulation. As you purify your gut, it clears the brain, and you can think better, feel better, and respond better to all of life's activities on a daily basis. Plus, they are super convenient. I don't always have lemons on hand, but I always have my lemon essential oil and my other essential oils. So convenient to add and use at any time of the day. All you have to do is open the bottle and add drops. So first of all, I'm going to show you my morning metabolism boost. In 12 to 16 ounces of water, add 1 to 2 drops of lemon essential oil. You could add other drops as well, like lime or wild orange, bergamot, grapefruit, green mandarin. These are all wonderful citrus essential oils. Then drink. Really awesome flavor. And actually, I've learned when you add the essential oils, you'll drink more water. You can also add essential oils to your morning teas or smoothies, puddings, yogurt. Adding wild orange, oh my goodness. This makes plain yogurt taste so good. I love just 2 drops in a cup of yogurt. You'll have to try it. It's amazing. I love adding lime to my guacamole or salsa or other foods. Lime is so excellent. You'll love the flavor. And remember, there's so many great benefits. And this is chimichurri, so simple to make. And I add my lime and lemon essential oil to this. Then you can serve it over steamed vegetables, meats, so many other foods. That makes it so delicious. Food-grade essential oils are so convenient, always at your fingertips, and ready to use when you're ready to create something that is wonderful and beneficial to your body and your health. As a holistic nutritionist, I have learned that everything that goes into your gut will either support your body or sabotage it. And adding food-grade essential oils along with healthy food alternatives is one of the best investments you could ever make for your body. Start simple. Swap out that morning coffee for this morning metabolism boost, and then start adding your essential oils to your foods. Go below and find my YouTube channel as well as being able to purchase these essential oils at wholesale so that you can feel and look your best as you support your body and your health.